I had a corrugated drain that roots ended up growing into, and it just kept backing up. So the drainage that would lead out to the end of my property line, it wasn't draining correctly. So those heavy rains in July and August, where you get 4 to 5 inches an hour, it would just actually back up the drain, and it didn't necessarily lead to flood or water intrusion issues, but it was heading in that path. So when we were looking for someone to come in and properly drain this property, there was a couple issues. It was a larger PVC pipe, whether it's 3-inch or 4-inch, and then also a sump pump. And that's when we decided to reach out and call LRE. My overall experience with LRE was phenomenal. I mean, it really was. I mean, it started with Mark, the sales rep, and I was very particular on a couple of issues. I mean, as I mentioned, I believe there was no pitch to my yard. The other thing I was very particular in is making sure the PVC pipe went underneath the pool pavers and connected into the downspout. That was going to be a tricky issue, and thinking that I'm now sitting here coming out of that without them even breaking one single pool deck paver is absolutely incredible. Further along with that project is I also wanted them to bury the PVC drain down 12 to 15 inches, because after this drain was put in, we were going to turf the backyard, and I wanted to make sure that didn't interfere with the grade of the turf, and they were willing to do that. So I mean, everything that was said in the quote was done to perfection.